I'll guide you through how to start a podcast on Spotify and monetize it without complex hosting or a lack of monetization options. If you're looking to start a new show and share your voice with a massive global audience, or you want to turn your content into an income stream, and so you need to create and monetize a podcast on Spotify, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button and let's get started. Let's start with the steps to get your podcast on Spotify. Step 1. Create a podcast. Before anything, you need to create your podcast and divide it into episodes. This involves defining your topic, creating show art, a 1400 by 1400 px square image, and recording and editing your first episode. Step 2. Choose a hosting platform. The easiest way to get your podcast on Spotify is to host it directly with Spotify for podcasters, which is a free service. Alternatively, you can use a third-party host and submit your show to Spotify by providing its RSS feed. Step 3. Publish your episode. If you choose to host on Spotify, you can do this using the website or mobile app. On the mobile app, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Select Record to record audio directly in the app, or Import to choose a file from your device. Once the audio or video is in the editor, you can make edits, add sound effects, or split your episode. When you're finished, tap on Save, and on the details screen, add your episode title and a compelling description. Finally, tap on Publish to make your episode live instantly or schedule to choose a future date. The platform handles the rest, automatically distributing your new episode to Spotify's massive audience. If you host on third-party platforms like Buzzsprout, Libsyn, or Podbean, here are the steps. After hosting, you'll need to submit your podcast RSS feed to Spotify using a desktop or mobile browser. Navigate to the Spotify for Podcasters webpage at podcasters.spotify.com and log in or create an account. And then select Find an Existing Show. Paste the RSS feed link from your hosting provider into the designated field. Spotify will then send the verification code to the email address associated with your podcast feed. After entering the code, Spotify will pull your show's information and all future episodes automatically from your feed. Now let's check how to monetize your podcast with Spotify's built-in tools. Once your show is live, you can start to earn money directly on the platform using the following options. 1. Spotify Partner Program. This program allows you to earn revenue from ads that Spotify places within your content. You can insert ad breaks directly in your episodes, and you will earn a percentage of the revenue generated from them. This is a great way to monetize without having to find sponsors on your own. 2. Podcast subscriptions. This feature allows you to offer exclusive subscriber-only content to your most dedicated fans for a monthly fee. It creates a predictable income stream and rewards your most loyal audience members with premium content. This allows your most dedicated listeners to support you directly and help you continue to produce high-quality content. Now that you've learned how to use Spotify for podcasting and monetization, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Spotify video tutorials. Thanks for watching.